This is a very short video. Please listen to it completely. It might be useful to you someday, or you may gain some understanding from it.
Hey buddy! If you want these quirky info videos to pop up in your eyes like a circus show, then subscribe to our channel and give that bell icon a solid whack.
My age is 22 years. While many girls worry that their breasts are small, my breasts are as big jackfruit, even bigger. It looks very disgusting. The entire chest feels like breasts. I feel a lot of shyness to go among 4 people. What medicines should I use to reduce my breast size and make them small?
Rarely in some girls' breasts grow very big like small pumpkin. These do not reduce with medicines. By operation they can be reduced to desired size. Once show to doctor. With surgery your problem will be solved. At the age of 22 having very large breasts may be a condition called mammaplasty. It happens due to hormones, genetics, body weight or other reasons. It causes physical discomfort, pain, shoulder, back problems, mental stress, shyness, etc. Significant reduction with medicines is not possible. Losing weight using supportive bra, doing exercise may help to some extent, but for major change consult a plastic surgeon or gynecologist and ask about breast reduction surgery. It is a safe procedure and increases confidence. Get tests done before surgery. With healthy diet, regular exercise, and good bra support improve your daily life. Be proud of your body, but if discomfort is more, take medical help. You are not alone, many have such problems.